How's it going, guys? Today we're looking at my day trades on TRNX and GENE. So my first trade, I got in there for the break of high of day, ended up stopping out right there, and it skyrockets. You really hate to see it, guys. So my next trade is on GENE right here. I'm already in 100 shares at 249 average. I'm down a couple bucks here. So the wedge it's gonna break the wedge and pop up, or it's gonna break and go down. We'll have to see. Hopefully up here. All right. Here we go. Gotta break 50. He's broken the wedge. Here we go. Let's go. All right, next up 60. I'll start selling 25 shares at 60. All right, little pullback. Here we go. A lot of selling, a lot of buying though. Oh, big orders. All right, here we go. Okay, let's go. All right, selling 25 shares beginning. Okay, I'm out there. All right, just take some profit off the table. It's always good to do. Okay, break out. All right, there's a lot of selling, a lot of buying though, a lot of covering up here. All right, new candle here. Okay, started out green. That's a good sign. Micro pullback. Ready for the bounce up. Oh man, come on. All right, selling 25 more. Oh, I wanted that 61. Fill me at 59. All right, pushing back up. Come on. Okay. Guys, it's the perfect wedge play. Look at that. Alright, gonna sell more. If it can break 80, I'm really gonna sell more. Holding 50 shares right now. Another micro pullback. I'm gonna sell 25 more right here. Okay. Failed. Okay. Only 25 more. Come on, see if we can get the push past 80. Alright, I'm gonna pause it and play it back when we've seen the move. Okay, starting to push again. Here we go. Okay, that 80 key resistance right there. A lot of resistance, a lot of selling. All right, guys, it's kind of getting a little sketchy here. So if it breaks, here we go. I'm definitely dumping the last 25. Come on, I really want to get past 80. A lot of resistance there at 80. Man. All right, I'm pausing it. Oh, okay, here we go. Ooh, man. If it doesn't break, I'm just gonna dump, definitely. Broke. And failed. All right. I'm dumping. Dang. Should have sold. All right. I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna sell. Yep. Failed. All right, guys. Not bad. 15.51. Not a bad trade. Could have been better. But small account's good. If I have 1,000 shares, it would have been 150 bucks. So not bad if you look at it that way. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions, leave them down below. I'll answer them all. I'll see you next time. See ya.